Hello, welcome to ASL IT Services. Today we are going to download and install Windows 10 to our Hyper-V hypervisor and build feature in our Windows environment. To do that, we'll and type windows 10.iso. Go to the first link provided by Microsoft. Scroll down where you will find Windows 10 2022 updated version 22H2. As per our today, the day of our video recording, this is the current version we do have. Click download tool now. The tool will help you to download Windows ISO file and you can save it into your downloads folder or any Windows directory later on. Once you have downloaded the file, go to start menu, type Hyper. So Hyper-V Manager is what helps us to install virtual machines. If you don't know how to activate this service in your Windows environment, please comment and we'll get another video for you to install and configure hypervisor into your Windows environment. Once you click that, the new screen pops up in front of you. On the left hand side, you will see hypervisor, and under that, the number of servers you have currently running. Currently, this is our computer. You can add more servers by going to connect to a server, and you can add another computer or servers, in this case in the network available for you to connect to. Once you go to the server, right click and go to new virtual machine. Hit next for now. Give it a name. I'll say Windows 10. Hit next. If you do have the file that is 32-bit or 64-bit, use this particular option. If you just have the one that supports 64, just go for the channel 2. Hit next. Choose the size that you want to give to your memory. By default it's 1 gigabyte. You can go up to, depend upon the size of your internal memory of the server. I would recommend say what is default, or if you want your Windows to run smoothly, go for 2 gigabyte at least. Hit next. Skip this part. Here you have option to choose the size of your hard drive. I'll say 30 gigabytes is enough for me, but situation can be different for you, so choose the size as per your requirement. Now is the time to select the file that we downloaded. For me, I store it up here. I'll choose the file, hit open, hit next. So this window will give you all the information regarding your virtual machine. Hit finish and the process will start up. The initial process did not take so long, and you will see the Windows is appearing here. Currently the system is off. I'll go right click on the window and hit connect. It will ask you to start the system. Yes, I want to start the system. Okay, and this will start your Windows. The system is trying to initialize the initial steps and the files that are necessary to run the Windows system. Depend upon the size and the processor you provided to your computer, your speed will varies. You can maximize the Windows now. And here the Windows initial setup has been completed. Thank you for watching videos on ASL IT services. If you have any further question regarding any Windows server or any question related to IT, please do comment under the video and we will help you. Thank you.